All right, today I'm going to take a look at the iDiskk Lightning Flash Drive. And it does have a little keychain, a little snaky cord. I always love those things. I think they look cool. But on the drive itself, we've got USB-A at the top, USB-C at the top, and Lightning USB at the top. So they all got their nice little covers to make sure that they're protected, so I can put this in my pocket and not have to worry about bending any pins or getting any dirt or anything inside. So I like that. It's got this little loop that I can put this keychain onto. There we go. What makes this cool is if I record something on my phone, test, 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 test. So now I can plug the USB-C into the bottom of this because it is a Samsung. And we go to My Files. And now I've got USB storage 1. So I'm going to hit copy here. And now I've got that on this. So this is actually a little flash drive. So I can use this for copying from whatever to whatever. Like that's the whole point. I can cap this back up. And we'll pull out the USB-A. And I can play the file here. Test, 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 test. Cool, so I could copy that over. Super easy. And then here I got this fancy Dell, which is nice, except it doesn't have any USB-A ports. But that doesn't matter because this uses USB-C, which is the same plug that I use for my Android. There we go. Test, 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 test. And if we want to, we can connect this to an iPhone as well. And that just plugs right in the bottom. The iPhone does require that you use an app. iDiskk makes one called iDiskk Max, but that's a limitation with the iPhone, not with the flash drive. So if you got any flash drive, you would need to use some kind of external app in order to make it work with the iPhone. But it does work, and after you get the app, it works in exactly the same way. But yeah, this thing is awesome. I mean, if you want something for transferring files from one PC or phone or whatever device to another, this is the disk to have.